In this video, I will show you how to download Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. To get started, locate the Microsoft Edge web browser on your Windows device. This is the default web browser that comes pre-installed on most Windows systems. In the address bar at the top, type in google.com and hit enter. Now that you're on Google's homepage, use the search bar at the center of the page. Type in Google Chrome and hit enter again. In the search results, look for the official link that says Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser. This link will take you directly to Google's official Chrome download page. Click on it. Once you arrive at the Google Chrome web page, locate and click on the button that says Download Chrome. This will initiate downloading the installer file necessary for installation. After that, you'll see a notification pop up at the top right corner of your browser indicating that the file has been downloaded. Click on Open File from this notification. The Google Chrome installer will now launch automatically. It may take a moment as it downloads any necessary files required for installation. Just sit back and wait while it does its thing. Once installation is complete, Google Chrome will automatically open up. Congratulations, you now have one of the most popular web browsers installed on your device. If desired, consider customizing settings or signing into your Google account to sync bookmarks and preferences across devices. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.